Magnificent. N-A-D.
Magnificent.
That's it, baby. You got the magnificent one time,
yes,
you got Mr. Perfect Cash, man. It's about 4 in the morning, man. We're about to head up to Clear Lake, see if we could police them waters, man. We got a call from the sheriff. Sheriff said to come up there, man. And they getting kind of out of control, so you know he called the best. He wanted the best, so he got the best. So
we gotta go rip 'em, man. You know we're gonna get up here to Clear Lake this morning, nice and early, middle of September. See if we can get on some fish and help me out in my tournament coming up, TLC. Fishing for a boat, so definitely try to get on something, man. So I got Mr. Perfect Cast with me. We're gonna make some perfect casts. We're gonna stick some of them big bucket mouths they got.
That's what it do, man.
YEETADEE.
It's time for some action. YEETADEE.
Crankbait, you know, nothing special, typical 2-pounder up here. Looking for something a little bit chunkier, but he'll work for starters. We're just starting out. YEETADEE. Nice little chunk. On the crankbait, speed trap, Mamo's favorite color, Tennessee shad. That's how we do it in 2009. Rippn lives Clear Lake, September. Up there, bounced off that little clump. There she was. Nice 2.5, 2 3/4. We'll take her for starters. Go back and get fatter, baby. Rippn lips. Go get you some.
It ain't quite as big as the Magnificent, but it puts your boy on the board, man.
Yes, sir.
You know, somebody asked me what's the youngest that a fish could get their lips ripped.
I think that gotta be the youngest. That gotta be.
You might not want to go a little younger than this one.
Oh, right, man.
Perfect Cast out here. You know, me and the Magnificent. Do the drop shot at Magnificent. Said let's stop at this spot for a minute. You know what I'm saying? Second cast, and your boy is on. And it's pretty decent, ladies and gents.
Nice little something.
You know.
Nice little something. Live, baby. Clear Lake, just getting it in. Ooh, look at it. Nice one, nice little chunky.
Pass master, John. You know what I'm saying? I might be using that FLW, but this is Bassmaster. Look at that nice chunk right there.
Nice.
Ooh.
Nice.
Hey, that's what I'm talking about, man. It's Rippn lips all day. Me and the Magnificent out here. You know, we ran across a couple of fans, and this is how we living today, man.
Bringing them to justice.
Bringing them to justice. Where the ticket book at? I'm right on it this time. We'll give you a warning. Next time, I'm booking you, Dano. YEETADEE! Get him back in the water.
Yeah, like he want to hang out for a little bit. Yeah.
It's the hit squad. Yeah, it's the hit squad, baby. Pull him over, Magnificent.
Nice keeper. Dragging a jig out here, Clear Lake, California. This one's acting like he has some shoulders. Let's find out, shall we? Trying to stay down. Oh, little guy. What if I ate that jig?
Oh yeah, he ate that. Pull it over, buddy. Pull it over.
Right, hey, speeding.
You know?
A little too fast. But Jesus, where's you going? Oh. That's when you know they like it. You can't even see the jig. That's the right color. Rippn list, baby. 2.5 pounder.
YEETADEE. Back to business.
Another clue to the mystery.
That's it, another clue. So we'll keep it moving, keep policing. And if you at home right now, you know, you about to go rip, sometimes you gotta police your buddies. You know? You gotta call them and get them into work. You know?
Hey,
ask your buddy how many more vacation days he has if he's sitting home on his butt. You know? Tell him to get to work and police, man. You know?
Policing these waters.
Exactly.
You out here. Rippn list, man.
Rippn list. YEETADEE.
Solid little, on the buzz bait up here in Clear Lake, secret spot. Throwing a buzzer. Nice little 2.5, 2 3/4. Yes, sir. Rippn list, baby.
YEETADEE.
Damn. I woke up this morning. Another one on the buzz bait.
Literally a couple of seconds after the other one.
Back to back. Rippn lips.
Rippn lips, baby.
And he is definitely ripped. Slow it down, buddy. You're going too fast. YEETADEE.
YEETADEE.
Flipping the jig. Clear Lake. YEETADEE. Nice little 2.5, 2 3/4 pounder. Nice fish. YEETADEE. It's your boy MAD-nificent. And today was a rough start to a beautiful ending, man. Caught a bunch of fish. Just like we like to catch them nice and shallow, top water. A little spinnerbait action, a little crankbait action this morning. But still not the size we're looking for. We got to step the game up just a little bit. So we'll get back after it probably tomorrow morning and see if we can step it up a little bit. In the meantime, y'all stay on the water, stay Rippn lift, policing them waters. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Rippn lift.
Rippn lips hit squad. We just got through policing the waters. We're off duty. We just clocked out, put in our time cards. Got a little overtime in. You know, that's always good on the wallet. And we brought a lot of criminals to the justice. The chief got a little upset because we didn't bring anybody in. We gave everybody a lot of warnings today. And, you know, but it's all good. Hit squad all over the world. We see you. Keep ripping lips. And keep repping the hit squad. We see you out there. And keep policing your waters, man. You know, don't forget, have your Rippn lips shirt on. And pull them criminals over and bring them in. What else can you do? You know, slap the cuffs on them. Book them, Dano. You know?
Clearly, YEETADEE.